Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the practical session of the chapter 2, that is adding graphics in a document. How you can add the graphics in a document. There are the various methods to add the graphic in a document. You can insert the graphics. You can insert an image in your document from this button, that is the insert button. Just click on this button and you can see that illustration group is open. In this illustration group there is one picture, clip art, shapes, charts. From here we can insert the images. If you want to insert the images, just click on this picture button and then insert picture dialog box will be opened and you can insert a picture from here. All pictures I have selected and I have selected one picture, that is here, and I have inserted. Now the picture is inserted here in this document. By this method you can insert a picture. How we can insert from the clip art? Insert, go to the illustration group and click on this clip art. Then clip art will be, you can see that at right hand side the clip art box is opened here. सर्च फॉर बर्थडे, आई हैव सर्च फॉर बर्थडे कार्ड. आप यहाँ पे कोई भी सर्च कर सकते हो अकॉर्डिंग, and it will show all the images according to your theme which you have already stored in your PC. Then I have searched the birthday and click on go. You can see it is showing this type of images here. Then I am clicking on this and Word cannot obtain the data for the C user replicable temporary internet files. Okay, again that is inserted here. You can see the picture I have used this, that is inserted here. This picture is inserted from the clip art. And now you can resize. If you want to small it, you can resize your picture. आप यहाँ से इसको रीसाइज भी कर सकते हो, बट मेरे कुछ यहाँ पर माउस में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. अदरवाइज यू नो हाउ वी कैन, यू कैन resize from the every corners. You can stretch your picture. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है माउस में जिस वजह से सिलेक्टेड नहीं हो रही हैं ढंग से. मूव करके देखते हैं. यहाँ से आप इसको मूव कर सकते हो. मैं इसकी अलग ढंग से आपको करके दिखाती हूँ हाउ वी कैन रीसाइज इट. अभी तो आपने ये देखना है कि वी कैन इंसर्ट अ इमेज फ्रॉम अ फाइल एंड वी कैन इंसर्ट अ क्लिप आर्ट. नेक्स्ट योर टॉपिक इज हाउ यू कैन इंसर्ट फ्रॉम अ स्कैनर. स्कैनर के लिए वेन एवर यू आर uploading the software, that is Microsoft Office, so you have to install this Microsoft Clip Organizer in the Microsoft Office. And by following these steps you can easily insert your image from a scanner which is given in your book. You can see this topic from your book. Actually this is not installed in my PC, so it's very difficult for me to show it. बाकी आप कहीं से भी कंट्रोल V और कंट्रोल C करके कॉपी पेस्ट भी कर सकते हो. पिक्चर्स को एक डॉक्यूमेंट से वहाँ पर दूसरे डॉक्यूमेंट में ला सकते हो. सपोज मैंने ये सिलेक्ट की, मैंने यहाँ से कॉपी कर लिया. अब मैं न्यू पेज पे जा रही हूँ, दैट इज़ हेयर, and I am pasting here. Right click and I am pasting this. That is copy paste also. And drag and drop भी आप इसको कर सकते हो. आप यहाँ से मूव कर सकते हो और इस पेज को इस पिक्चर को आप किसी दूसरी पिक्चर पे भी ले जा सकते हो. Drag and drop methods you can also use from here. Okay, to insert a picture. This is all about how you can insert a picture. Next your topic in your book is how you can modify your image. modify के लिए भी मैंने बताया था, you can resize your image. ये जो कॉर्नर पे हैंडल्स हैं इसको आप मूव करके, इसको जब जैसे ही मूव होते हैं, मेरी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, आपका बड़ा ईजिली हो जाएगा. कुछ माउस में इश्यूज आ रहे हैं जिस वजह से इसको रीसाइज नहीं कर सक रहे, अदरवाइज इट्स इजी फॉर यू टू। और रोटेट, यहाँ पर आप क्लिक करोगे ये सर्कल आ गया ब्लैक कलर का, इससे आप इसको रोटेट भी कर सकते हो। ये देखिए अब मैं इसको मूव कर रही हूँ, जितना छोटा कर रही हूँ उतनी ही रीसाइज हो रही है, बड़ा भी हो रहा है स्मॉल भी हो रहा है। मैं इसको यहाँ पर लाकर रीसाइज कर रही हूँ, दैट इज नाउ इट इज small in size. By this method you can resize it. Next, how you can crop an image. You can, I have selected this image and I want to crop it. मैं सिर्फ इसमें 3 cakes show हो रहे हैं, I want to show only 2 cakes in this. Now whenever you will select an image, then up in the upper pane you can see there is the one tab that is showing, that is the format tab. Click on this format tab and you can go on this size group. At the right hand side there is a size group, it is showing. In the size group you can click on this crop button and crop. जैसे ही आप crop पे click करोगे then your selected image will be shown like this and it will show the crop handles at the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There it is showing the 6 crop handles from where you want to crop your image, or from that side you can use that handle. For example, I am using this handle at the right hand side and get to the left hand sides. Only 2 cakes I am showing and click on this. Now your image is crop and it is from the 3 cakes, one is cut down by using the crop method and it is showing only the 2 cakes. This is the method to crop an image. Next is deleting an image. How you can delete an image? Select an image, right click on it and click on, and press the delete button. And I am pressing the delete, selecting an image and pressing the delete button from the keyboard. The image will be deleted. अगर आपने undo करना है तो यहाँ जाके undo कर दो, that will be shown again. Next is more modification in an image. How we can do the more modifications? If you want to change the form, if you want to format the picture more, you can change the color of the picture and you can give some artistic look to your picture. How you can do it? Select the picture, right click on it, click on this format picture button. Whenever you will click on this format picture button, a format picture dialog box will be appear. Here it is picture color. Select here picture color and go in the color saturation. Click on this arrow button and it is showing different type of the looks of your cake. You can use any look. I am using this color tone. I am using how this will, this, and then close, and you can see the effect in your pictures. Now its color tone is not bright, it is very dull. Again right click it, click on the format picture button and click on this artistic effect. When you will click on this artistic effect arrow, there is some artistic effect according to your picture. Like this I am using some blurred and close. Again you can see there is artistic look to your picture. These type of effects you can apply to your picture also. This was all about your images which is given in your chapter 2. And now in the next topic in this chapter is how we can drawing the objects in a document. How you can draw the object in this document. Now I am clicking on this. I am going to new page, this new page in this file. Now I am inserting some shape styles. How you can insert this? Click on this insert and then go on the illustration group and then click on this next, that is shapes. I am using this smiley face that is inserted because plus sign is shown and you have to drag your this you can see here, and there is the shape style. As you will drag the button, one format tab will be shown here according to the drawing tool. In this format tool there is the one group, that is the shape style group, and from this you can change the shape of this style like this. I'm changes like this, different type of styles you can give from here in this whenever I will select this image, then it will show this format button. Here that is shape fill. आप कोई color change कर सकते हो shape fill में, like this. Light color I want to use this. Shape outline is we can change the outline of this. I want to give the outline of red color. Yes, I have given. From here, outline, shape, effect you can give. That 3D rotation I am applying. Now it is 3D rotation. So by this method you can draw the objects in a document, and you can change its color, changing the property of the drawing objects from this. From here you can change the properties of this drawing objects. Changing outline मैंने आपको बता दी. Next is how you can group your drawing objects. If I am applying three more images like shapes, I am using more shapes like this. I am using this shape, and shape outline I am giving red, and sorry, I am using the shape fill color, that is of the whatever color we can give this. इसका इफेक्ट मैं 3D की जगह सिंपल शेडो कर देती हूँ. दैट इज द शेडो आई हैव अप्लाइड हियर. This one, and new I am giving the third image. I am also inserting third shapes, that is this one. इसमें as I selected this, the format button is shown here. I am giving the shape fill color, that is of the red color. So I have inserted the three images here, sorry, three objects here, and if I want to move it three together, then how you can move it, how you can take the three objects as a single one. Then you have to make a group of these three objects as a single one. How you can make a group of three as one? Select the three objects. What you have to do, go on the home tab. See, here is at the right hand side there is one. You can see here is one. I will tell you again that how you can group the drawing objects. Firstly, we have made the three objects here in this file. These three objects we have drawn on our page, and now how you can make a group of this. One method is click on this home button and go on the editing group at the last, and click on this select and select objects. Yes, select all objects. And next method is press the control key, select first, sorry, press the control key one time. Press the control key and select one, second, first, second and third. Select all three objects. As you will have selected all these three objects and click on the format button, then you can see in the arrange group there is an icon, that is the group icon. Right click on it and click on the group. Now there is you can see a complete rectangle, a complete box on all the sides of these three objects. Now they will move, these three objects will work as a group. Now you can move it as a group. अब आप कुछ भी वर्क करेंगे तो ये इकट्ठी मूव करेंगी, दैट विल बी मूव. ये अलग अलग मूव नहीं करेंगी. जो भी आप काम करोगे अब तीनों पे इकट्ठा ही अप्लाई होगा. चाहे आपको रीसाइज करोगे, चाहे आप इसको मूव करोगे. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन सी आई एम रीसाइजिंग इट. तीनों ही रीसाइज हो रही हैं लाइक दिस, बिकॉज इट्स देयर इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ ऑल दीज थ्री ऑब्जेक्ट्स. अगर आप इस ग्रुप को अनग्रुप करना है, देन अगेन गो टू द अरेंज कॉलम, arrange group, click on this group and ungroup it. Now it will be ungroup from here. Now this was the topic that how we can group our object. Next topic is how you can positioning the image in a text. If you are writing something, and how you can arrange your images. First method is positioning an image in a text is wrapping text. How you can wrap your text when you are writing something here. I'm writing here. देखिए अब ये कैसे लिखा जा रहा है. हाउ वी कैन सेट इट. अब इस इमेज को मैं राइट क्लिक करूँगी एंड आई विल गो ऑन द रैप टेक्स्ट ऑप्शंस. व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन दिस रैप टेक्स्ट ऑप्शंस, you can see it is showing many options to you, like in line with text, square, type, through. Then you can use in line with text like this कि इमेज इधर मूव कर गई और साथ में लाइन आ गई. अगर हम इसमें रैप टेक्स्ट ऑप्शन में जाएंगे, देन आई एम यूजिंग द स्केयर लाइक दिस. टाइट में थोड़ा टाइटली हो जाएगा. थ्रू में टॉप एंड बॉटम में, टॉप या बॉटम में शो ऑफ हो जाएगी. बिहाइंड टेक्स्ट इस इमेज के पीछे चली गई. इन फ्रंट ऑफ द टेक्स्ट लाइक दिस. इस तरह के चेंजेस आप इमेज पे कर सकते हैं एंड देन यू कैन पोजिशनिंग योर इमेज विद द टेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ यू कैन अरेंज द इमेजेस बैकवर्ड या फॉरवर्ड. फॉर दिस click on the format button. We have to click on this format button, go to this arrange group, and here you can arrange your images. That is bring forward या send backward. आप यहाँ से forward और backward अपनी इमेज को सेट कर सकते हो according to your text. मैंने इसको select किया. Send behind the टेक्स्ट. बिहाइंड द टेक्स्ट भेज रही हूँ. अभी तो टेक्स्ट के ऊपर है. आई एम सेंडिंग बिहाइंड द टेक्स्ट. अब ये देखिए टेक्स्ट ऊपर कम्प्लीटली नज़र आ रहा है. पहले नज़र नहीं आ रहा था. पहले इसके ऊपर इमेज शो ऑफ हो रही थी. अब मैं दोबारा इसको कहाँ भेज देती हूँ. बिहाइंड द टेक्स्ट की जगह सेंड टू बैक वापस ले आते हैं हम इसको. सेंड टू बैक या ब्रिंग फॉरवर्ड. नाउ आई एम bringing to front. Sorry, bringing to हो नहीं रहा. You can see the changes here. तो ऐसे कई सारे चेंज हम कर सकते हैं अपनी इमेज पर. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ यू कैन अलाइन आवर इमेजेस. हम अपनी इसको अलाइनमेंट भी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं इमेज को. टेक्स्ट के लेफ्ट में, राइट में, सेंटर में, टॉप में, मिडल में. हाउ यू कैन अलाइन दिस. In this arrange group you can see in this, you can click on this. You have to click on this arrange group and here is the button of this align group. Click on this. Now align left, align right. ये देखिए align center, it is centered. Align top. तो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ अलाइनमेंट यू कैन. अलाइन बॉटम, नीचे चली गई है पेज के बिल्कुल ही. हेयर. तो दीज टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस वी कैन डू टू आवर इमेजेस with this alignment method, with this arranging the image, and with this wrapping the text. This is all about your second chapter, that is the how we can adding the graphics in a document and how we can add and how we can apply this different types of alignment, different type of arrangements, how we can group it, ungroup it. So these are some methods which we can apply on our image. This is all about your second chapter. Now I am sending 2-3 questions with this. You have to write down these questions in your notebook according to the chapter 1 and the chapter 2. Thank you and have a nice day.